solemnly bear allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. So we go to the now. I do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as a member of IMO State House of Assembly, I will perform my functions honestly to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the law, IMO State House of Assembly, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of the state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will abide by the Code of Conduct contained in the 5th schedule of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. Okay, congratulations.
Thank you.
On that line, I'm going to go to the line. I'm going to
Please, when you sign, you give your oaths to the deputy clerk. Please, when you sign, you take your seat so that the next batch can be sworn in. Please. When you subscribe to your oath, you take your seat so that the next batch can be sworn in, please. So I want to call the next batch. Please, if you hear your name, you come forward to subscribe to your oath. Ibamezie Innocent Ikechukwu, Mbitoli State Constituency.